You have exactly 7 days left in 2025, and what you do right now will determine whether 2026 becomes your breakthrough year or another year of financial regret. Most people waste these final days relaxing when they should be setting themselves up to dominate. I'm about to show you 2 critical moves that take less than 2 hours combined, but could save you thousands and put you miles ahead of everyone starting from zero in January. Thing 1, your money autopsy. Right now, pull up your bank statement and answer 3 brutal questions. First, what did I actually earn this year after tax? Include everything. Salary, side income, rental income, every single pound or dollar that hit your account. Second, what did I spend? Break it down, fixed costs like rent and bills, fun stuff like dining out and subscriptions. Let me give you an example. Say you earned $50,000 this year and spent $48,000, including savings. You've got $2,000 surplus sitting there doing absolutely nothing. That's $2,000 that could have been working for you. With that knowledge, you can increase your monthly investing by $150 next year without even feeling it. But most people never do this exercise. They have no idea where their money went or how much slipped through their fingers. Thing 2, build your money operating system. Goals are useless without systems. You've probably set the same financial goals every January for years. Save more, invest consistently, build an emergency fund. And by March, you've abandoned them because willpower ran out. The solution isn't trying harder. It's removing willpower from the equation entirely. Automate everything. Set up standing orders that move money to savings and investments the day after payday. You save first, spend what's left. That one shift will do more for your wealth than any budgeting app. Schedule bill payments for the same day each month. Automate contributions to sinking funds for irregular expenses like car maintenance, holidays, insurance. You have 1 week. Do these 2 things and you'll enter 2026 with clarity, control, and momentum while everyone else is still making resolutions.